Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we're going to continue with the Fistful of Dimples pass-around set for uklocksport.co.uk. The lock I've got on the vise at the moment is the multi-lock Integrator. It does have a working key, you see that? So this one's got an interesting pin in it. So we'll get it picked and I'll show you that when I got it. So let's get to it. So with most multi-locks I use quite a lot of tension. I find it the best way to get feedback from them. Some people will argue, but it's just the way I do it. So let's get into this. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 binding. That's 6 set, 7's binding, that's 5 set as well. One, 2. Start again. So nothing on 1. Oh, we've got a wee click on 1 there. Back to 6. A click on 6. Click on 7. 4. Click on 4 into a full set. Oh, that was 2 there. I think I hit 1 on the way in and I must have hit someone else on the way back, but that's open, so we'll get it gutted and we'll see what's inside. I'm going to apologise right now because I just realised that the autofocus is still on and it'll probably be noisy as can be. Yeah, I do apologise guys. Right, I'm going to drop the height of the camera a little bit. So you guys can see exactly what I'm doing and exactly what's inside. Because I think I'm pretty good at forgetting to check on my camera screen where everything is in frame, so we'll do that before we get it gutted. We'll get it turn autofocus off this time. So let's get it gutted. Circle. Oh no. In fact I can walk up because I've got a key there for it. Right, circlips off, grab the key, follow him. Take it. No dump the key pins, so pin 1, where did I put the tweezers? Pin 1's a torpedo. Pin 2, standard key pin. Pin 3 is the sort of interactive pin that I was saying about at the start. I'll show you that in a second. Ball bearing dropped out. I don't know why they put ball bearings in these, because they don't seem to interact with anything. I found that before. It's not like they're key retaining or for key control or anything like that, so if anybody knows why, let me know. For the standard, no, we'll go to six. Five. Where did 7? There's 7 up there. Plug. If you, I'll put it out of focus on for a second. So if you can see, in chamber 3, the hole looks elongated, and the reason for that is the pin in 3 is similar to a medical in a sense. And the reason I say that is because the pin itself is cut at an angle, so if it's the wrong key and the cut in the key doesn't match the angle, the bevel cut into the pin, it won't set properly, and it won't be sitting at the shear line. So added security, I think that's where the name Integrator came from. When I say like a medical pin, it's not like a medical pin in the sense that it's got to be rotated. It's more like a medical pin in the sense that it's beveled, and if it's not the right key, it won't sit properly. So that's it. So pins 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 4, 6 and 7 are all standard. Pins 2 and 5 are spools. So you can see that they're good enough. So yeah, torpedo and the plug and 1. Everything else is standard except for 3, which is that call it an interactive pin. Then upstairs 1, 3, 4, 6 and 7 standards, and 2 and 5 are spools. So yeah, so thanks for watching guys. Like I said before, if you like the video please hit the like button. If you've got anything you'd like to add or anything you'd like to suggest, or if you know why that ball bearing's in there, leave a comment and let me know. And if you want to catch the rest of the videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get a notification every time I upload so you won't miss anything. So thanks for watching, hopefully see you next time. Bye.